Good morning, children. This is Seema Prabhakaran.
पढ़ता है, खेलता है, झूलता उछलता है, दौड़ता कभी कभी दौड़ कराता है, आगे आगे बढ़ता है इंडिया, अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया, जश्न मनाता, सेहत बनाता, लाइफ के मैदान में बाजी मार लाता, आगे आगे बढ़ता है इंडिया, अमूल दूध पीता है इंडिया.
Don't worry, it's not a commercial break which I have taken, and it's a history civics class only. We'll be talking about lesson number 6 in civics today, understanding advertising. Our days are surrounded with advertisements. You switch on the TV or the radio, an advertisement jingle. Just now you heard the catchy tune, and that is known as jingle. Hits our ears, and we begin singing and humming along with it. Sometimes we find the catchy slogans which are there, we repeat them the whole day. You pick up a newspaper and we see big colorful advertisement glaring at us, staring at us on the very first page. You step out of the house and we find big billboards with different advertisements trying to attract us. You click on a site on the internet and quickly you will find the advertisement pops up. Ever thought what these advertisements are trying to do? Why do these advertisements catch our attention and stay in our mind? Let's find out about all this in this lesson. I'm giving you an example. Aisha Bhimani, who is a 32-year-old housewife, she resides in Delhi. To help her in the kitchen work, she wants to buy a food mixer. However, she does not know which is the best brand available in the market. She looks up the advertisements in the local newspaper and there she sees an advertisement of a mixer which claims that it is the best brand in terms of price and features. It also says that a juicer and a dry grinder comes absolutely free with the purchase of the mixer. Excited at the offer, she visits the nearest showroom and purchases it. According to you, what makes Aisha go for that particular brand? Is it the advertisement in the newspaper? Think and answer. Now, what is advertisement or advertising? Advertising is a form of communication between the seller and the buyer. Means seller who wants to sell the product and buyer who wants to buy the product. An advertisement is used to persuade an audience, force an audience to buy a certain product or service and thus promote business. You must have seen the advertisements of different soaps, different health drinks as I have shown. These advertising messages are usually paid for by the sponsors. Who are sponsors? Persons or organizations that pay for an advertisement or a program and are viewed through various types of media such as newspapers, magazines, television, internet, text message, banners, billboards, hoardings, and announcements. Thus, advertising can be defined as the act of calling public attention to one's product. You want to sell something and you want people to get attracted to it and you want them to buy. So, to convince them, you try to show different advertisement and through advertisement, you tell them that your product is the best. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.